Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cassandra and today I'm doing like an unboxing of Colourpop. So this is how it came. This is fragile on it. Let's just dive in. So lately I have been obsessed, and I mean obsessed with Colourpop. Like their palettes and the pricing is just so amazing. So yeah. So this is like the little receipt. And then they have this where it says we're feeling lucky. We're at 7 million. So congrats Colourpop for being at 7 million. That's so cool. I have got this Chisme. I think this is like a loose powder highlighter. My mom and my dad had gotten this for me for Valentines. So it's like my little Valentine's gift. So this is like the loose highlighter and it's called Chisme. It comes like this. I should go close up. It comes like this. Guys. It has like little roses. It's so pretty. And it's a loose highlighter. So I'm super excited to use it. I never used a loose highlighter before. So I'm kind of like nervous. I don't know like what to expect with it. But so this is it. And then that looks so pretty. I don't know if you guys could like see that highlight right there. Like that shine. It's pretty. It's like a really pretty gold color. And this is, like I said, Chisme. So I'm excited to use this. I'm going to have to look this up because I don't know if you use it dry or if you have to like kind of like wet the brush and then do it. So I'm definitely going to look this up, but I'm excited to use that. Oh, I got the I Love Sari Colourpop collection. Ah! Guys, let me tell you, I've been wanting this palette ever since I saw her come out with it. I thought it's so beautiful. Like it's called Through My Eyes. And the packaging is like this. It's super pretty. And then this is the other part. Guys, look at the colors in here. Like look at those colors. Oh my god. Emerald Dream is so pretty. Flex. Wild Soul. I'm sorry guys, I'm like in love with it. This is such a pretty palette. I'm definitely going to be using this. I don't know for what look yet, but I'm definitely going to be using this. Maybe I'll even recreate her look, her signature look that she did with this. That would be really pretty to do. Guys, I'm super excited to have this. Like it's so beautiful. I got It's My Pleasure from Colourpop. It's like a purple palette. This one's really pretty. I have seen this online. Let's see. Guys, this is like a purple heaven. This is what I needed for Valentine's, to be honest. This is like this perfect like Valentine's palette, just like pinks and purples. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you guys can see the color better. Do or Doe. That's cute. Bare Minimal. Let's see, I want to swatch Do and Doe. Do or Doe. Oh, that's pretty. I want to swatch Earth Shine. And I'm just kind of going like that around. I guess I'll do it right here. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. I don't know if you guys can see it like on here, but it's really pretty. It's like a really pretty like baby pink. This is Bare Minimum, I think. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a really pretty maroon color. That's pretty. I want to use this palette now. This is so pretty, guys. It's like the perfect purple. And guys, I'm not the best watcher. I don't do the best watches. Like, I want to do the swatches right here, but like the way it's hard to turn it. So I guess I have to do the swatches right here, but I don't know. I feel weird like this way. I got the, what's this? I think it's called Ooh La La palette? Ooh La La. I don't know which one this one is. I think it's gonna be like the pink palette, because that one's more all purple. So this should be like the pink one. Okay, you need this too for Valentine's or for like that pink mood, like that pink mood. This is so pretty, guys. Like, are you guys seeing how pretty that is? They got Tickle, Softcore, Poodle, Sandbar, Opulent, Big Sugar, Trove, Caddy, and Moonstruck. Ooh, I like this Sandbar. It's like a hot pink. It kind of reminds me of like the James Charles pink. You guys can see how pretty and pink that is. Tickle. This looks really pretty. Ooh. They have like a lot of like, I don't know if you guys could see, but it has like a lot of glitter in it too. So like it reflects like glittery, which is really nice. And this is Ooh La La. Guys, I'm telling you, I've been in love with Colourpop. Like the packaging and just like the colors and like the scheme of it are so pretty. Like it is definitely something to like purchase or like to buy, you know, because they're not like expensive palettes either. So we're like, you're spending like 40, 50, 60 bucks just for one palette. Like they're really good pricing, so you can get a lot of palettes. And I'm saying, like, I like their packaging. Like they're not cheap packaging. It's really pretty. This is Mar. This is, I think I've seen this, and this is the one I really wanted. Guys, look at this. That's so pretty. Oh, this is pretty, guys. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Oh my god. El Rey, Wild One, Detour, Sherbet, Gridlock, Boozy, HWY, Highway, sorry, Top Down, and then My Way. That's pretty. I'm like really feeling this blue right here, which is called Gridlock. I'm like really liking this. With Detour will be such a pretty look. Ooh, that would be like a really pretty look. And remember, guys, if you guys see like anything you guys like or you guys want me to like do a look on just using one palette, definitely let me know. Like comment below and let me know. Salvaje, I know it means savage, I think in Spanish, right? Savage, I can't say, I think it's salvaje. That's so pretty, the packaging, the roses, and then, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, is it pretty? It's really pretty. I like it. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's different because like, it looks more like nudes, but then you have like these pretty blue. But I don't know. I guess this is like an aqua color and this is like a navy blue. But it's a really pretty palette. It's pretty. Ooh. I could definitely see myself grabbing that for like something real quick. Let's see what else. And then we got an ultra matte lippy. And this is an extra toppings. Let's see. It's an ultra matte lip. And we're gonna put that right. Ooh, that's a really pretty. I feel like this is like a really pretty classy red. Like that's a really pretty classy red. I feel like you could wear this with like just eyeliner, some cute little blush, and a bold red lip, and it will look so classy. That's one way I love wearing red lipstick. It was just eyeliner, some pretty eyelashes, and a bold red lip, and then like a cute classy outfit. Not cute, but it's like something kind of like just black or just like a white outfit, something like, I guess more like casual, just because the red like makes it pop out more. I don't know, that's just my favorite way. Oh, sorry. And then for last thing I got was the Colourpop Precision Brow Color, and I got the color Cool Cocoa. And the reason why I told my parents I wanted this, I had them a while back, so I guess, you know, I guess they did it for this thing. But I wanted it just because I use Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Dip Brow, and I wanted something to see like if this is as good as it or not. So I was really curious about this, just because I've seen so many people actually like this one. So yeah, I can't wait to try it out. But I am gonna try it out once I do my eyebrows, because I don't know if you guys could tell, like in this video, my eyebrows are so hairy. I've been letting them grow out for like a month, I want to say, about to be a month. So like all right here is all like the hair growing out. So yeah. So I want to give this like a really good fair try once my eyebrows are like really nice and reshaped and they're clean, so I can see how it works. So yeah, so this was my Colourpop haul, I guess you want to say, or unboxing. I love everything, guys. You guys definitely have to check out Colourpop. Like, no, this isn't sponsored. I wish it was. I do wish I was. Shit, that would be amazing, but it's not sponsored. But this is just like my thoughts and how I like everything. So yeah, you know, guys, please leave a like, comment, subscribe right here. You know, just show me love, keep supporting me, and I appreciate every one of you guys. So bye.